To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. You are most welcome to YouTube channel ML Kaushik. Today I am taking the reported speech. In the reported speech, when the reporting verb, that is in past tense, when it is seen in the reported speech, if there is any person, then that is changed according to the rules. There may be some particular words, those are also changed according to the rules. I have already told you how to change tense. It means when the reporting verb, that is in past tense, we make 3 changes in the reported speech. Number 1, that is of tenses. Second one is of persons. Third one is of particular words. I am taking how to change your persons. When the reporting verb, that is in past tense, in this condition, the first person is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb, and the second person is changed according to the object, means object of the reporting verb, and there is no change in third person. If there is no object and there is second person in the reported speech, then that is changed into third person. Naturally, it is considered that the object is third person. There is a set table. In table, I am taking I, my, mine, me, myself. We, are, ours, us, ourselves. I, it's nominative case. My mind is possessive case. Me, objective case. And myself, reflexive pronoun. Like this, again I am taking I, my, mine, me, myself. We, are, ours, us, ourselves. In second person, you, your, yours, you, yourself. You, your, yours, you, yourselves. Thou, thy, thine, thee, thyself. Here you, nominative case, your, yours, possessive case, you, objective case, and yourself, reflexive pronoun. In the same way, there is third person. He, his, him, himself. She, her, hers, her, herself. It, its, it, itself. They, their, theirs, them, themselves. Here, he, nominative case, his, possessive case, him, objective case, himself, reflexive pronoun. In the same way, in third person, in second person, in first person. This will be the serial. First, I, nominative case, my mind, possessive case, me, objective case, and myself, reflexive pronoun. Now again I come, if there is first person in the reported speech, is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. For example, he said, I am going to Kanpur. He is third person. He said, there is no object, then said will not be changed into any other reporting verb word. He said that I am going to Kanpur. I is first person, will be changed according to the subject. Subject is he is third person, means we have to bring third person of I, means he said that he was going to Kanpur. Tense will also be changed. As along with this, I am also taking your particular words which are changed. Today into that day. Tomorrow, the next day. This, that. These, those. Can, could. may, might. Tomorrow, the next day, and tonight, the that night. Tonight, that night. And again, here, there. These, those. Hither, thither. The same example. He said, I am going to Kanpur today. He said that he was going to Kanpur that day. Today, that day. Tonight, that night. Yesterday, the previous day. Like this, we have to change. Ago, before. Again, I am taking your example. I said to my friend, what are you doing? I asked my friend, what are you doing? My friend, that is third person. So I asked my friend what he was doing. Means you will be changed according to object. Object is third person. Here I bring your object in first person. He said to me, what are you doing? He asked me, what you according to object. Me means first person. What I was doing. He asked me what I was doing. Like this, we have to change the persons. Dear students, you all have to do the practice of all these persons. We must learn this table. Again, I am taking this table. I, my mind, me, myself. We, are, ours, us, ourselves. You, your, yours, you, yourself. You, your, yours, you, yourselves. Thou, thy, thine, thee, thyself. He, his, him, himself. She, her, hers, her, herself. It, its, it, itself. They, their, theirs, them, themselves. And the list of those particular words is also to be learned. Today, that day, tonight, that night, tomorrow, the next day, yesterday, the previous day, this, that, his, those, hither, thither, ago, before, come, go. Like this, we have to bring can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should. These words are also changed. If you learn all these rules, means persons by heart, and this particular table of words, particular words, I think there will not be any problem in changing these two. And I have already told you regarding change in tenses. I think you have understood. Thank you very much.